Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the Roblox account that has restrictions. Once logged in, click the gear icon at the top right and choose Settings. Make sure you have the account email and password available because you may need to verify identity. If two-step verification is on, be prepared to enter the code. This immediate start gets you into the right menu fast so you can access privacy and parental controls next. Once in Settings, switch to Privacy, then Parental Controls because that's where controls live. You might be prompted for the 4-digit PIN or the parent email confirmation. Enter it to proceed. Now review age settings, chat filters, and ability to join games. Change each toggle to the desired level. Make clear choices. Lowering restrictions opens features, while tightening them blocks content. Save any changes so they take effect on the... To finish, save your changes and sign out, then sign back in to confirm the settings updated. If you can't change controls because the PIN is forgotten, use the parent email recovery process or request a reset through account support. If changes don't appear, restart the device and clear the app or browser cache. This forces the app to fetch new settings. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with account details. Be ready to verify ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.